A recent study found that 63% of high school seniors are not college ready. That's a huge number. And it's not a high school senior problem, that's a K through 12 problem. We're working hard to fix that. Okay, at Caddell Prep, our slogan is, "You can excel with Caddell." And we really believe that. We believe that because we believe in ourselves, in the platform we've built, but more importantly, we believe in students. We know that if all students have the right resources and support, they can all excel. That's why we made all of our math lessons and practice problems free and available to everybody. Right now, it's being used across the United States and in 21 other countries. In addition to that, we've built out a platform for teachers to use, which we've been told has made their lives a lot easier while helping their students. So now teachers use our assignments, they just go online, assign them to their students, student goes home and works through them like normal. But what's different about this compared to regular homework is that if a student doesn't understand a problem, the student could watch a video explanation specifically for that problem and learn how to do it before moving on to the next question. This way students actually learn while they're completing their homework. You know, a lot of times homework could be very discouraging. If a student doesn't understand a math concept in class, the student's not going to want to do the homework at home because the student doesn't understand it. So now, with our platform, it makes a lot more sense. Students are able to practice what they learned in school, and the learning continues while they're at home. We're very aware that standardized tests and test preparation opens up a lot of doors for students. However, the price of in-person tutoring and prep classes prices out a lot of families. So it's very important for us to offer it at a price that is affordable for most families. We didn't just want to be an affordable alternative. We want it to be just as good or even better. And I really think we are better. We're better because it's more accessible and it's personalized. It's more accessible because students have busy schedules. You know, it's difficult to get to prep classes or to tutoring, and it's difficult on their families too, who have to drive them from place to place. The fact that it's online, students can access it whenever they're able to, whenever it fits into their schedule. Then it's more personalized. In a class, a lot of times students are fighting for attention from the teacher. But when it's online, the student has all the feedback that they need for every question that they have. So if a student doesn't understand a question, right away they get feedback on it. They don't have to wait for the homework to be returned or for a test to be returned. All of the feedback is instantaneous. So really, we really do believe that you can excel with Caddell, and not just you, but all students. So please help spread the word, share this video, share our website with your friends, and if you're already using the platform, keep up the good work and thank you.